So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. I am her. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back, guys. Thank you for coming back. So, as you can see by the thumbnail, we do have a new subscription. And guys, I'm kind of excited about this one because it's somebody we know. Just saying. And I also have an update about the 900 plus giveaway. So if you want to see what's going on here, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. So yes, guys, oh my gosh. All right, number one, first thing right out the gate, I just want to say, please let me know in a comment that you are okay, down below. The East Coast is getting bombarded. It's crazy. I do know my neighborhood for the last 4.5 days I got caught in it, okay? I was taking hubby to work, and it's just like the skies opened up, and I had a heck of a time getting home. It was like flash floods everywhere. My phone was constantly going, It has not stopped. Tornado watch and flash floods everywhere. Now, today, it is still pouring rain, but I haven't heard the alarm go off yet. Like I said, let me know that you guys are safe, everything's good, okay? Comment down below. No matter where you live, I just want to know, because the weather's been really crazy everywhere. As you can see by the thumbnail, I do have a new subscription, like I said, and it is from somebody we know. Before I get into all that, guys, let me just say, this is a beauty channel. I deal with everything that has to do with beauty. Unboxings, try-ons, the things that are in the box, I'll try them out sometimes, put them on, give you my thoughts, opinions, say if they're worth it or not. I try to touch on everything. And, you know, there's going to be more as the channel grows, okay? Also, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Guys, we are 8 people away from 1,000. Oh my gosh. I cannot even begin to say thank you enough. I just can't. With that being said, let me just go ahead and hop on in here, okay? I'm just going to start, okay? I'm just going to start. Now, Carly has been climbing up my shoulder, unfortunately, and I can't keep her out of here, guys. She just howls and howls. All right, so the name of this company, and it is Tammy. We do know her, okay? Buggy's MomMom, Tammy. She has her channel here on the platform. I will leave her channel link down below, okay? The name of the company is Unconditional L Studio. I promised her that I would go over this and I wouldn't screw this up, so fingers crossed that I don't. It's me, guys, though, you know, just saying. All right, so we do have a monthly subscription. Now, she has her own business, all right? She's worked on this business for a little bit, and now she's taking it a little further, okay? And she's doing a monthly subscription, which will always include 2 items, okay? That can be any of the following. That means mixed, matched, whatever, okay? Are you ready? There's a lot. What she makes are combinations of hook, post, kidney, or wire-wrapped earrings, chain, leather, or lace necklaces, chokers, bracelets, bangles, rearview mirror dangles, okay? Keychains, water bottles, anklets, fashion accessories, barrettes, clips, or t-shirts. That's a lot, all right? So, pretty cool, all right? Just saying. Now, oh my gosh! Cardi, I am so sorry. Come here, baby. Come see mommy. Come here. She's being a bad girl. Say hello. I'm sorry. I just had to do. She has been really bugging me. I don't know if she's not feeling well. I don't know, guys. I'm sorry. I'm going to put her down now. But she just was really, really bugging me. I mean, she's fed. She's loved. I was playing with her just a little while ago. I apologize. Tammy, I'm sorry, but, you know, what can I do? And if I lock her out, guys, she's just howl at the door, like I said. Okay. Where the heck was I? I even forget. Okay. All the things that I just mentioned can be a mix or match. She is putting at least 2 items in a subscription. On certain months, you will get 3 for her saying thank you, you know, for being a part of this, okay? And supporting her because it is a woman-owned business. It's a small business, you know, her, and it's a woman-owned business. I have my little notes, my little cue card that I need to go down, so just bear with me, okay? SimplySteph, that's me. This will be the only channel that you will actually get to see spoilers of the month coming, okay? And I will have them up by a certain date, and then you will have to order accordingly by a certain date, okay? That will all be listed down below as well. I will also, as I'm doing each video, remind you, you have to order by such and such a date to get this month, okay? Now, it's just starting, so she's letting you, you know, I have September's here. You have until the 20th of this month to order this particular variation of bag, okay? And eventually what she wants to do is be a month ahead. So what you would do is you will order by the 30th of one month to get not the next month, but the month after. So it's kind of like Macy's. If you know, when you sign up to Macy's, you can't get that next month. You have to get the month following. Okay, so it's kind of like she's going for that. That's what we're ultimately trying to do here. That's why I have 4 months worth of bags. She sent me over. I have I have September's in front of me. I have October, November, December. Okay, now in just a few weeks I will be doing October. Okay, and then November. You know. Accordingly. All right, let's just say I put hairspray in my hair and it's driving me crazy. I can't do that. Now here's what these items will be made of, like the materials. Okay, everything will be silver plated, hypoallergenic, leather, acrylic, plastic, glass, wood, foam, or cotton. Okay, just know that. All right, so these are what the items she creates are made from these materials. And then she says when you pre-order, which means when you go in to order the bag, okay, on the website. She does have her own website. Good job, Tammy. I was over there. My hair is such a mess. I'm so sorry. It just threw it. I can't do anything with it. But I do have this here, hence the green eyeshadow. Wait for it. Wait for it. There is a reason. Guys, if you want to check out some other stuff that she has made, I do have a video like a month ago. I will link that down below as well. Listen, everything that I'm talking about here will be linked down below. I know we don't all look in the description boxes, but in this instance, you might want to take a gander down there. I will have everything linked down below. Hopefully I'll get it all in there, which I absolutely will because it's really right here. So all I have to do is transfer from here to there. Boom. Okay. And then I will add the dates in. Okay. It says when you go to sign up, she has like a little questionnaire. Answer the posted questions in an email. And I will leave her business email down below as well. Because what that's going to do, it's going to help her to fine tune your preferences, okay, to the items you will be getting. So it just makes it that much better for us. Okay, so there will be 2 items in this bag, okay, like I said, and sometimes a third. I do have a card here, and it does explain what every piece means, what the whole takeaway from this bag is, like the general theme of the bag, and the prices of each item. Okay, so that's always cool. All right, so the first thing, oh my god, I was like, no way, dying. And now guys, when I say she makes these things, this one right here, I was having a heck of a time gripping this because of my nails, but I want to try and get it so you guys can see it, because there's such cute detail on this. I mean, oh my gosh. And guys, these are the kind of earrings people will stop and ask you about. You know what I mean? Like, come on. I get, listen, when I wear her stuff, I had one lady in the restaurant like trying to steal them from me. She's like, I'm going to take them from your ears. Seriously, it's on a post, okay? But guys, it's a frog. Look at how cute it is. It's a frog. I'm going to try and get it to focus. Do you see the eyes? They're made from hearts. Oh my gosh, and there's little legs right here, and his little arms are right here. There you go. His little arms are right there. Oh, come on, my camera's a piece of crap. There you go. And it's so very cute. Now I'm going to put it on, and I'm going to show you, okay? They're very easy to put on, and they do come with backs. Usually hubby helps me with this, but okay, he's not here. There they go. Look at how cute, guys. Oh my God. Again, don't look at the hair. Just look at the earring, okay? I don't know, can I put something behind that? I will try and zoom you in so you can just see just how ever so cute this guy is. I mean, guys, it is adorable. It really is. The camera's really not doing it too much justice, but it is just so cute. Little hearts for the eyes. I mean, you could totally look at this and know it's a frog, and it's just the cutest little frog. I mean, if that's a thing, but they're just cute, and they're made so good. There's little eyes are. See the little hands and little feet. I mean, come on, that is just too cute. All right, guys. What does the frog mean? And she has it here. The frog symbolizes cleansing. Okay, so there you have that, cleansing. Now remember that. Now the second one that's in here is another earring, but it's a different kind. Like it has a for people like me who struggle with the backings. This one has one of those little pinch hooks. Can you see that right there? It will go through your ear, and then all you do is you pull it down and you go over like that, and then there you have it closed. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and try and put this one on. Oh my gosh, like these are, I can't believe, these are so cute, guys. These are handmade. Okay, so the one that I'm showing you here, or that I have in my ear, hold on. Okay, boom. Guys, tell me that, I'm going to show you the pattern. I'm going to show you close up. And again, I showed you the clasp, but look at it. Okay, now tell me, let me get my face out of the way. Tell me that wouldn't be perfect either with a nice black dress, you know, dressed up, right? Or I could so see me, because of the way I normally dress, with my jeans and my butter Tims and my little t-shirt tucked in, sporting these. Absolutely, like, absolutely, you know, just saying. Okay, now, what does the leopard / panther mean? She says here, the frog symbolizes cleansing. We talked about that. Where the leopard and panther, or panther, is valor, courage, and determination. Okay, so you've got cleansing, valor, courage, and determination. Those 2 things. Okay, now there's one more thing. This month does have 3. This is the launch month. This has 3. And guys, when I saw these, I was like, oh, I can't wait to give them to my granddaughter. I just can't, because I can't use them in my hair, unfortunately. I have just too much. And it is a set, and it is just, oh, so freaking stinking cute. Little bears. Look at that. I'm gonna put that right there. Can you see the little details with the little eyes? Oh my gosh. It says, the bear right here teaches us the importance of patience. Okay, so what she's saying is all 3 of these things combined, like everything has a meaning. That's what I'm saying. She put a lot of thought into this. What she's saying is these are strong, all entwined together. So be fierce, but gentle. And that's absolutely doable. I mean, I get it. You can be fierce, but you can be gentle at the same time. Meaning, you know, tenacity, don't stop. This whole thing, everything that it says here is the meaning of what she's putting in the bag. So it's not just a bunch of stuff thrown together. You know what I mean? Like, she takes time to think these things out before she puts them together. Now, I said I have the 3 more bags for the coming months. I can't wait. October's Halloween. I can't wait for that. I'm like, whoa. Anyway, Christmas. Oh God, I love stuff like this. I'm telling you, I've gotten so many compliments on my earrings, and just think, like, not everybody has these. You know what I mean? Like, people who have them are the people who are going to get the subscription. Nobody else is going to have anything like you. You know what I mean? And that, to me, I love quirky, different things. I'm just all about being different and not just, you know, fitting in any kind of mold. That's just how I am. And this kind of, like, falls right in with that. Anyway, and it's a small business, and she's doing this by herself. You know, blood, sweat, and tears went into making this. Now, what I was saying about, she makes sometimes from the bottom up, right? I mean, when she makes, she's not just putting things together. Guys, she made, for the frog, she wanted this, so she made it. Don't mind my nails. I'm horrible. She made this. She sat there and she poured the mold, the material in here. I want to say, I don't know if it's glass or plastic, but honestly, it feels like glass. I'm assuming it is plastic, but you know, she did the mold. She made them all smooth, everything. You know what I mean? It came out, and she fixed it, and then she took the material she made and she put it together into this so cute frog. I'm too cute. I am dying. Listen, I know walking around with these, I would for sure get, somebody's going to say something. I already know it. And then you have the little barrettes. I'm thinking, like, who would, you know, go for this? Definitely me, grown up. Definitely you can get it for, like, your daughter, your granddaughter. I mean, how cool is it for them to get their own subscription? It does come in, you will get your label on the outside, and then it has a little thank you sticker on the back. See that? I already ripped it. Okay. And it does come wrapped up. I'll show you. It was very nicely packaged, I will say that. It has a little sticker on there, okay? So when you open it up, everything is here right in front of you, and I opened it, and now I'm doing it, you know? I did open it in the first part, but I had to redo it, so I apologize. I just think it's awesome that she's doing what she wants to do. She's going forward with what she wants to do, you know what I mean? And if you become a part of this with her, you know, you're like helping her, you know what I mean? And I just think that's a wonderful thing. On this channel, I said that I wanted to move forward with more indie brands, more small-owned businesses, you know, like I wanted to start doing that this year, and I have been. And I have some orders that I have another brand that's very new that I ordered from, and I'm going to shout them out. Okay, so let's get down to billing. She wants, eventually, since I have the 4 bags, by December, she wants you to be able to order by October 30th, because then she'll have a whole month. Like, she's ahead of herself, and she wants to stay ahead. So that just works out, you know, great for her and good for you, because you're going to get to see this now, guys. I'm the only channel that's going to show it to you, and I will have it in plenty of time, like I said, to order, okay? The subscription is $20 a month, all right? But there's tax and there's shipping, so it comes to $26.63 total, okay? But again, you're getting handmade stuff, at least 2 items, sometimes 3. Now, the cost of this stuff is here on the card. I just love the frog. I can't get over it. To the frog, like when she made the bead herself. Okay, so that is $14.95. The leopard earrings Okay, the panther leather, the spider ones. These are $12.95, and the set of barrettes is $7.95. I can't wait to give them to my granddaughter. Listen, if I could rock these, if I can get them in this hair, I would. They're the kind that they snap like this. All you have to do is like pop it open and then put your little hair. I don't have enough hair in there, and then just go ahead and close it. See, there you go. And then okay. So then you have this other one that matches. So it's like two. It's a set. Remember the clips? Oh, God, I'm so old. She's 2000s. Okay, so she has her website listed here. I will leave that down below. She does want to say, again, that you will always get what you pay for. She's trying to give you a value of $30 or more, okay? So, you know, it's a small business, guys. It's starting off, all right? Just remember that, you know. Things, she said, will get better down the line. She's going to try and drop the price a little bit because, like, shipping is killing, you know, like, shipping's ridiculous. Let me just tell you. I know when I was pricing the shipping, yeah, it's crazy. So I can imagine, you know, but yeah, I mean, if there's any questions, I will leave her email down below as well. Did I miss anything? I don't know. I'm assuming this might come, you know, somehow in the package. So when you open up the package, you'll have the meaning right here as well. I, of course, will go over with you each and every, you know, each and every bag for each and every month. I will show you, and that's the great thing about it. You get to see it before and decide whether you want it or not for that month. It's not a reoccurring payment. She's hoping to do that down the line, but right now that is not the thing. You will have to go in, just pick, yeah, I want that month. Yeah, I want that month. And then go ahead and just go on that website and, you know, hit the pay now button, okay? So, I mean, it's very simple. And then, of course, I do have a code, SimplySteph, either caps or just small letters. All works, you know, it all works. I will leave it up here, all right? And it saves you money off the first bag, okay? So listen, so there you have it. I mean, and I will leave the retail value of everything right here, okay? Now remember, I have each bag going forward. So, and like I said, I will show you in a few weeks down the road, and, you know, we'll do that. All right, so if you have any questions, feel free to please email her. That will be linked down below as well. The name of the company, again, is Unconditional L Studios. I hope I covered everything. Again, if you have anything to say or questions, please leave a comment down below. What do you think of the subscription? I think it's really cute. I'm all about the quirkiness, the different pieces of stuff that I know that not everybody's going to have. And I am helping someone with, you know, getting their feet off the ground. And that's always a good feeling. You know what I mean? The winners will be coming up. I will be announcing them in a video coming up. Please remember, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. We are trying to get to 1,000, and I'm very excited. So, yes, thank you. I could not have done this without all of you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, guys, like I always say, please remember, if you are blue, if something is wrong, you know, this world is really crazy and mixed up right now. If you are feeling a little off, remember, talk to someone. Please do not stuff it or keep it in. Talk about it. Take the power away from it. The more you talk, the better I think you'll feel. I hope anyway. It's been my experience. Also, if you're asked to listen to someone, please do so, because you can just by listening and letting them vent, it could help them. And that's a great feeling, helping someone. And just with this crazy mixed up world, and we are oh so crazy right now, let me tell you. Please, guys, stay safe. Till the next one. See ya.